Here's the real secret in Chatgpt. I want you to give your AI a little bit more power. Here's what I mean by that. Pretend you had all the professionals you've ever wanted in your back pocket. This is the power that this technology has. All you have to do is tell it to act that way. Let me give you an example. I want you to act as an essay writer. You'll need to research this given topic, formulate a thesis statement, and create a persuasive piece of work. I want you to act as my legal advisor. I will describe the legal situation and you will provide advice on how to handle it. I want you to act as a software developer. I will provide some specific information about web app requirements, and it will be your job to come up with an architecture and code for developing secure app with Golang and Angular. I could go on and on. I want you to act as a travel guide, as a talent coach. I want you to act as my Spanish teacher. I'm 100% going to continue studying this and utilizing it for my business to create a better service, but the possibilities are pretty scary.
Let's see if we can use Chatgpt to answer a complex Excel question that you might not know the formula for. First, head on over to Chatgpt in your browser, and we're going to write the question that we are looking for the answer for. And press enter when you are done. And as you can see, Chatgpt has populated the formula for our question, followed by a super useful explanation. So we're gonna copy this formula with Control-C on your keyboard, pop back into Excel and paste the formula. And there you have it. It populates an answer for you.